Hello dudes, welcome to Study Journal. Today you are going to learn some important study strategies to hack the biology board exam and score a perfect 100. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Enjoy your subject. This is indeed a very important tip. Don't feel the subject as a burden. Give the subject some space in your heart and start loving it. This will encourage you to study. Tip number 2. Make studying an essential part of your daily life. Like brushing your teeth every day and having food at the right time, it is also necessary to allot some time only for your studies. In a day, can't you spend at least 4 to 5 hours out of 24 hours? And during this time, you have to be very focused. Tip number 3. Read your textbook thoroughly. Thorough reading means you should read the chapters word by word precisely at least 5 times. And you should not skip any lesson and not even a single topic. Tip number 4. Visualize your topics. If you visualize your topics and enjoy them, is there any way of forgetting them again? I hope not. So try it. Tip number 5. Don't mug up your lessons. Understand and learn your concepts a little in depth so that it will remain in your heart and there is no need to mug up. Tip number 6. Write and practice. In kindergarten classes, kids are made to write pages and pages of alphabets and numbers again and again. As a result, no one ever forgets them in their lifetime. I think this is the best example. So have a book and pen with you the next time you study. Tip number 7. Highlight the keywords. Terminologies and keywords are very important. They play a major role in biology, especially in ICSE. Tip number 8. Practice all diagrams with proper labeling because the second section of your ICSE Biology question paper is ruled by diagram-based questions. Tip number 9. Learn all the definitions by heart. Definitions are very important as they are surely asked in either of the sections. Also make a separate note of all the definitions together which you can use it to revise from time to time and also before entering your exam hall. Tip number 10. Learn the perfect location and function of all the organs. As you know, this is also very important. For this too, you can make a separate note like the one I said previously for definitions. Tip number 11. Make sticky notes and charts. You can do this for the topics which you feel really very hard to study or remember. Make sticky notes or colorful charts and paste them in the room where you spend much of your time so that by constantly looking at it, it gets etched in your brain. Tip number 12. Create mnemonics. Mnemonics refer to the techniques for remembering anything more easily. For example, I have created the mnemonic PMAT to remember the phases of mitosis in a proper order. That is PMAT, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Hey, isn't that an awesome tip? Then hit the like button right now. Now tip number 13. Once learnt, teach the concepts to others clearly. It may be your friend, your classmate or your siblings. And if you don't get anyone, then stand in front of the mirror and teach it to yourself. This is the best method for revising the chapters. Tip number 14. Solve all the exercise questions, workbooks, model papers and previous year question papers. This is also a revision method which completely prepares you for the exam and fills confidence in you. Tip number 15. Keep yourself calm and never take stress. This will automatically fill positive energy in you, which in turn brings you success. Hey, here's a secret tip. Practice a good handwriting. A good handwriting always attracts the evaluator, so they will pay attention to all the points you have written and will not neglect them. Bonus tip: read, revise, and stop not till you reach your board exams. You should revise again and again and again and again. This makes you perfectly clear and confident, and you are now well equipped to enter the exam hall. Finally, the most important tip is to follow each and every tip that has been shown in this video. It is easy to say, but hard to follow. But if you follow, no one can snatch away the success from you. Please subscribe as more videos regarding your subjects are on the way, and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss them. And if you value friendship, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.